Hello, welcome to my center at Vikaspuri, New Delhi. Again, I have come here with a new book today. The book is Rupa the Elephant, written by Patel and is published by National Book Trust. You can see the book. Now tell me what is there on the cover page. Yay! Can you see a huge elephant? What's the color? Yeah, grey, and with this big ears, and a small bird is sitting, isn't it? Are they friends? So let us find out. So I know all the children love elephants. You also. So you would like to listen to this beautiful story. Chinchi. Chinchi, the little brown bird, knew all the animals in the zoo. Now zoo. Oh my God. Wow. Her best friend was Rupa, the elephant who gave rice to the children on Sunday mornings. Sometimes Chinchi sat on Rupa's ear and rode along with the children to visit the animals. See, all the children sitting on the elephant, and even our Chinchi is also there. Wow. But today, what did Chinchi see? Rupa, the elephant, was sighing and sobbing. She stood in a corner while tears rolled down her cheeks into the grass. Now you tell me, why is this happening to our elephant Rupa? What must have happened? Think about. Should we proceed? Why, Rupa, whatever is the matter? Chirped Chinchi. She was asking because it's her friend. I am so drab and ugly, sobbed Rupa. I am just a grey, fat tub. Silly Rupa, don't cry, said Chinchi. I'll soon find a way of making you bright and pretty. And off she flew. Now tell me, what idea did Chinchi have? Why did she say that I'll make you bright? I will not tell you the story. You have to find out what happened. So read this book and come back to my channel. Thank you.